But now from here, I can ask lots of different questions. I could ask a function just about the g function. I could ask something just about f. Or I could ask something in relationship from f and g. All right, so from here, I could say, okay, solve f of x greater than g of x. Solve f of x greater than g of x. Okay, so think of greater meaning above, whereas the f function above the g function. All right, so the f function is in purple. The g function is in orange. So where's the f above g? Well, it would be this section right in here. If I want my answer in interval notation, I use the x values. So from the x value of -4 to the x value of 5. Okay, so -4 to 5. Now, do I need curvy brackets or square brackets? Curvy. We got to vote for curvy. Somebody else is saying square. How many say curvy? How many say square? Change your mind now. It is curvy. That right there tells me curvy brackets. There's no equal to part. No equal to part. Now let's see if I can come up with another one. I could ask you to solve where is the f function less than or equal to the g function. Where is the f function less than or equal to? And when I say less than or equal to, where is the f function below the g function? All right, even though I didn't draw this very long here. All right, so what? It's going to be below here, and it's below here. So I've got two sections. So in my interval notation, I've got to represent this, and I've got to represent this. Now, yes, this is going down. But on a parabola, had I sketched it a little bit more perfectly, not only is it going down, but it's also going to the left, because a parabola keeps getting wider and wider. All right, so far left-hand value is -infinity, okay, which always gets curvy brackets. All right, all the way up to the x value of that point, which is a -4. All right, now, square bracket or curvy bracket? Square bracket this time, because I got the equal to part. All right, so that takes care of this section. Union. All right, now I got to work on this section. The first x value of this section right here is 5. And I got to go square bracket because it's less than or equal to. Equal to part. And then all the way to positive infinities down here. Yes, it's going down, but it's also going to the right, so it's going out to positive infinity, which is always curvy bracket. So that symbol tells you whether you've got curvy brackets or square brackets. Okay?